Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a company that's at the intersection of artificial intelligence and big data, BigBear.ai. This stock has been making waves, especially in the world of AI and analytics. In this video, we're going to break down what BigBear.ai does, their stock performance, financials, risks, and what the future might look like for this company. So, let's get started. Let's start with the basics. What is BigBear.ai? Founded in 2016, BigBear.ai is an AI-driven analytics company that helps businesses and governments make smarter decisions using data. They specialize in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analytics to solve complex problems and drive better outcomes. BigBear.ai focuses on industries like defense, logistics, healthcare, and finance, providing solutions that help with forecasting, risk assessment, and decision-making. Think of it like giving companies and organizations the superpower of data-driven insights to optimize operations and predict future trends. So, how does BigBear.ai make money? Well, their revenue primarily comes from providing AI-powered analytics and solutions to both government agencies and private sector companies. They offer a range of services like advanced data modeling, predictive forecasting, and risk analysis. One of the biggest segments for BigBear.ai is defense contracting. They work with various U.S. government agencies, including the Department of Defense, providing cutting-edge analytics for defense operations, logistics, and military strategy. Another area of growth for BigBear.ai is in logistics and supply chain optimization. By using AI to predict demand and assess risks, they help companies minimize disruptions and make smarter supply chain decisions. Alright, let's talk about BigBear.ai's stock performance. The company went public in 2021 through a reverse merger with a SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company. Since then, the stock has experienced a roller coaster ride, with significant fluctuations in price. At its peak, BigBear.ai stock was trading close to $15 per share, but like many SPACs, it's faced volatility and investor skepticism. The stock price has fluctuated significantly, and at the time of this video, it's hovering around the $5 mark, reflecting the broader market trends and concerns about profitability. What's important to note here is that while BigBear.ai has a lot of potential in the AI space, its stock performance has been tied to broader market conditions. Investor sentiment toward tech stocks, and, of course, the company's ability to prove its value to investors. Now, let's take a look at BigBear.ai's financials. In their most recent earnings report, BigBear.ai showed strong growth in revenue, with year-over-year increases. The company reported revenue of around $50 million, a solid number for a company still in its growth phase. However, the company is still not profitable, which is typical for many AI startups in their early years. BigBear.ai is investing heavily in R&D and expanding its customer base, especially in the defense and logistics sectors. This means that while they're growing, they're also burning through cash to fund their operations. One of the biggest factors driving investor concern is their ability to scale quickly and generate consistent profits. Until they can do that, BigBear.ai may continue to face pressure from the market. Let's talk about some of the risks and challenges BigBear.ai faces. First, as an AI-driven company, they're competing in an extremely crowded and fast-evolving market. Major players like Palantir, IBM, and smaller specialized AI firms are all vying for contracts in the same space. Additionally, BigBear.ai is heavily reliant on government contracts, particularly in the defense sector. This dependence on a few key customers means that any changes in government spending or shifts in military needs could have a significant impact on their revenue. Another risk is their profitability. As mentioned earlier, the company is not yet profitable and is burning cash at a high rate. If they can't reach profitability in the near future, they may face difficulties in maintaining investor confidence and stock price stability. So, what does the future look like for BigBear.ai? Well, the good news is that the AI market is expected to grow exponentially over the next few years. And BigBear.ai is positioned to capture a significant share of that market. With increasing demand for data analytics and AI-driven solutions, especially in the defense, logistics, and healthcare sectors, BigBear.ai has massive potential. The company's focus on predictive analytics and risk management is highly relevant in today's uncertain global environment. If BigBear.ai can continue to expand its customer base and demonstrate the effectiveness of its solutions, they could see rapid growth in both revenue and stock price. However, investors will need to weigh the potential for growth against the risks involved, especially when it comes to profitability and competition. So, should you buy, hold, or sell BigBear.ai stock? If you're an investor who believes in the future of AI and predictive analytics, this could be a stock worth watching. BigBear.ai has a strong foothold in the defense sector and an expanding presence in other industries like logistics and healthcare. However, the risks of volatility, dependency on government contracts, and the challenge of reaching profitability mean that this stock might not be for everyone, especially those with a low-risk tolerance. As always, make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more stock analyses, and let us know in the comments what you think about BigBear.ai's future. Do you think AI stocks are the next big thing, or do you have concerns about BigBear.ai's profitability? We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.